Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today I'm going to show you how to use a rice cooker to cook a Taiwanese braised pork style or 卤肉饭 style mushroom rice. So let's start cooking. We will now start to fry the ingredients in the rice cooker. Heat up your rice cooker using the fry function. If you don't have a rice cooker at home, you can always fry this on a pan over the stove, no problem at all. Once it's heated up, add in a little bit of oil. Once you put the oil in, you can just put in the shallots. This is approximately 8 pieces of shallots, sliced very thinly. You do not need to wait for the oil to be heated up before you put in the shallot. We just need to slow fry this a little bit to get the fragrance out. Add in 1 stick of cinnamon bark and 1 star anise. You can start to smell the beautiful shallot fragrance. When you see that the shallots has softened, we'll add in 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Now we'll stir them. The smell now is kind of amazing. Very nice aroma. We'll just fry this for a little while more. Okay, once you can smell the beautiful aroma, we'll add in our mushroom now. I have with me over here 6 pieces of Chinese mushroom, soaked for approximately half an hour until they are soft, and cut it up. Put them in, dice them into small pieces. We'll also add in our king oyster mushroom now. In case you do not know what is king oyster mushroom, this is how it looks like. Dice them up into small pieces like this. This is approximately 200 grams. Pour everything in. Fry them for a while. When you fry them, make sure you mix them up well. What we want to achieve here is to have all the beautiful aroma together. Wow, this is really smelling very, very good. Now we add in our rice. This is 2 cups of rice. I've washed them and rinsed them dry. Put them in. Mix them up really, really well. The cup that I'm using to measure the rice is the rice cup that comes with the rice cooker. Once you mix this up well, we'll add in our seasoning. Add in 2 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce or mushroom sauce. And 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. A few dashes of pepper. Mix them up well. This is a very easy 1-pot dish. Wow. It really has the 五香肉 kind of smell or fragrance. We'll now add in water. I'm using 2 cups of water. Ratio is 1:1 for the rice. Okay. Stir them up well again. Make sure that nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. Push all the rice down. Now we'll need to put the lid on. And now we just need to put this to rice cooking function and start this. I'll see you back in a while. The rice is done. Let's have a look. Oh, smells really, really nice. Give it a good stir. But just give this a taste just to make sure that it's savory enough for us. Very nice taste. But if you want it to be a little bit savory, I like it to be heavier in taste, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it up well. And time to have our lunch. The dish is done. I hope you give it a try and I'll see you next time. Do remember to click like and subscribe. Thank you.